Hello. So it's been a long time where I have come on a live session and given out some information on Instagram. And Instagram, I have not been posting much. I will be soon starting. I have changed my Instagram strategy, so I'm working on it right now. Yes. Second, hi, Amni's Kitchen Yoga, Sita, Devi, Kirti Yoga. Okay, Darpana. So great. So basically, today's live session is dedicated and focused on 2 days. That is 21st June, as everyone know that 21st June comes closer, and everyone starts following and seeing what's the other yoga teacher doing or what this yoga teacher is doing and a meditation teacher doing. But as you guys already are aware, I'm moved into from like I do yoga, I do meditation, I do wellness is what that's my thing, what I enjoy doing. So this 21st June I'll be taking a meditation session. It will be a live session, but a very short one on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. But an actual session will also be on Zoom as well. The registration link, you can message me on DM if you're really keen, so the registration link can be sent to you. If you're keen on learning some powerful pranayam, and some like very basic beginner to intermediate meditation, where you can really get into meditation if your if your goal is to start your meditation. So that's the other thing. Shruti, Vidya, Deepika, okay, we have a lot of people, thank you. So definitely you can send me a DM and register for that. It's not a paid session, so don't worry, it's not a paid session. This is out of love, out of just love and to give back to the society. So 21st June is that. It's going to be, I don't know the timing yet, but the registration link will have all the details, my chart and other teachers' chart as well. It's going to be a world Guinness record is what we are trying to achieve with that. Secondly, I know it was very disturbing to hear about our one of the very big celebrities suicide case, which many people have. I got at least 7 to 10 calls about they having their anxiety and panic attacks. Something triggering. So stop watching news. One thing, stop watching news. It doesn't mean that you will be safe. Reach out to your friend, loved ones. I know it's easy to say this, but it's more difficult to reach out. I'm always open to receive some DMs and reply. I will not be able to reply to 17,000 people and a lot more, but as much as I can, and I'll be posting some numbers once I have an authentic source where they can help you, guide you if you are facing some anxiety, depression or any of those mental health issues. Of course, yoga and pranayam and meditation will help you, guide you, but I would suggest do both. Take the doctor support and do the alternative therapies as well, which will go hand in hand to help you and heal you. Great. Thank you so much, Deepika. Okay, Rashi. Hi, Rashi. Rashi is from Rishikesh, Dehradun. So Prerna, nice. So great. So that's the only thing. And the second day which I wanted you guys to be aware of is okay, this hand is more of vitiligo. So that's my vitiligo and that's my superpower, I believe. And anyone on the planet, I guess Instagram is global, anyone on the planet who has vitiligo and who wants to get interviewed, who wants to get interviewed on Instagram can send me a DM. You can tag your friends, family, relatives, doctor, whichever profession you are in. Even if you're not working, college students, please come forward and send me a DM and we will have a small interviews. I want to have small interviews which I can save and collaborate with these people to guide how to come out of this stigma that vitiligo people are it can be contagious, or all these myths can be busted. And I've finished almost a decade with this vitiligo coming on and off, and I'm working with a yogic diet and ultra super pranayam, which is a specific sequence for this healing of vitiligo. And because of vitiligo, I had my own I had my own share of anxiety and stress which I faced for so many years. but now I'm very comfortable and open to talk about it, and I'm sure it's gonna heal. Shona Rajput, yes, I would like to interview anyone. Ayushi, Vedya, Surya, Geetu, great. So please go ahead and register for the 21st June event. Registration links will be dropped in the comment or maybe in the description. Second, 25th June is the World Vitiligo Day. As I said, anyone with vitiligo, tag them in the comment and I'll be happy to interview them. Alright, that's about it, guys. Thank you. Stay safe. I know COVID time, pandemic time is crazy. Stay safe. Don't watch news. Watch Netflix. Do your yoga, do your meditation, talk to your friends, do a video call, and I hope to connect with you soon. Thank you. Namaste.